Can you change pet insurance? Pet insurance is a valuable investment for pet owners, providing financial support for unexpected veterinary expenses. However, circumstances can change over time, prompting pet owners to explore the possibility of switching their pet insurance provider. Here's what you need to know about changing pet insurance and the considerations involved. Understanding pet insurance. Pet insurance functions similarly to health insurance for humans, covering medical costs related to accidents, illnesses, and sometimes preventive care for your pet. Policies vary widely in terms of coverage, deductibles, premiums, and exclusions, so choosing the right policy is crucial to meet your pet's healthcare needs effectively. Reasons to consider changing pet insurance. Several factors may influence your decision to switch pet insurance providers. 1. Coverage limitations. Your current policy might not cover specific conditions, treatments, or services your pet requires. 2. Cost and affordability. Changes in premiums or overall costs may prompt you to seek a more affordable option. 3. Service quality. Poor customer service experiences, difficulties in claims processing, or lack of responsiveness could motivate a change. 4. Pet's health changes. If your pet develops a chronic illness or condition, you might need coverage that better addresses their new healthcare needs. 5. Personal circumstances. Life changes such as moving to a new location or changes in financial status may necessitate re-evaluating your insurance options. Can you switch pet insurance providers? Yes, you have the ability to change pet insurance providers. The process typically involves these steps. 1. Review current policy. Understand the specifics of your current coverage, including any waiting periods, pre-existing condition clauses, and renewal terms. 2. Research alternative policies. Explore different insurance options available from various providers to find one that better aligns with your current needs and preferences. 3. Application and underwriting. Apply for a new policy. Depending on the insurer, you may need to provide your pet's medical history, especially if there have been changes in their health since obtaining your current policy. 4. Overlap and transition. To avoid gaps in coverage, ensure that your new policy starts before or immediately after your current policy ends. 5. Cancellation of current policy. Notify your current insurer in writing of your intention to cancel your policy. Follow their specific procedures for cancellation to avoid any penalties or issues. Important considerations before switching. Before making the switch, consider the following factors: pre-existing conditions. New insurers may exclude coverage for pre-existing conditions your pet currently has, which could affect your decision. Waiting periods. Be aware of any waiting periods associated with the new policy, particularly for specific conditions or treatments. Age and health of your pet. Older pets or those with existing health issues may face higher premiums or limited coverage options with new insurers. Policy limits and coverage. Ensure that the new policy's coverage limits and benefits meet your pet's current and potential future healthcare needs. There are several common reasons why pet owners might contemplate switching their insurance provider. 1. Coverage gaps. Your current policy may not cover certain conditions, treatments, or services that have become necessary for your pet. 2. Cost considerations. Changes in premiums or overall affordability may prompt you to seek a more cost-effective policy. 3. Service issues. Poor customer service experiences, difficulties with claims processing, or dissatisfaction with overall service quality can motivate a change. 4. Pet's health changes. If your pet develops a chronic condition or illness, you might need coverage that better accommodates their new healthcare requirements. 5. Personal circumstances. Life changes such as moving to a new area or changes in financial status may necessitate re-evaluating your insurance options. Steps to change pet insurance. If you decide to switch pet insurance providers, here's what you should consider. 1. Review current policy. Understand the specifics of your current coverage, including any waiting periods, exclusions, and renewal terms. 2. Research alternative policies. Explore different insurance options available from various providers to find one that better meets your pet's needs and your preferences. 3. Application process. Apply for a new policy. Depending on the insurer, you may need to provide your pet's medical history and undergo underwriting, especially if there have been changes in their health. 4. Overlap and transition. To avoid gaps in coverage, ensure that your new policy starts before or immediately after your current policy ends. Some overlap can provide a safety net during the transition. 5. Cancellation of current policy. Notify your current insurer in writing of your decision to cancel your policy. Follow their specific procedures for cancellation to avoid penalties or issues. Key considerations before switching. Before making the switch, keep these important factors in mind. Pre-existing conditions. New insurers may exclude coverage for pre-existing conditions your pet already has, impacting your decision. Waiting periods. Understand any waiting periods associated with the new policy, especially for specific conditions or treatments. Age and health of your pet. Older pets or those with existing health issues may face higher premiums or limited coverage options with new insurers. Policy limits and coverage. Ensure that the new policy's coverage limits and benefits adequately address your pet's current and potential future healthcare needs. Changing pet insurance providers is a viable option if it results in better coverage, affordability, or service quality for your pet's healthcare needs. It requires careful consideration of your pet's health status, the terms of your current policy, and the details of potential new policies. By researching thoroughly, understanding the implications, and planning the transition carefully, you can make an informed decision that ensures your pet continues to receive the necessary care without financial strain. Remember, the goal is to provide your beloved pet with comprehensive protection while managing your budget effectively. Changing pet insurance can be a beneficial decision under the right circumstances, allowing you to tailor coverage to better meet your pet's evolving healthcare needs and your financial situation. It's important to carefully review your current policy, research alternative options, and consider factors such as coverage, premiums, and customer service quality. By understanding the process of switching insurers and ensuring a seamless transition, you can ensure your pet continues to receive the necessary care without interruptions or undue financial strain. Ultimately, the goal is to provide comprehensive protection for your beloved companion while maintaining peace of mind regarding their health and well-being. Deciding to change pet insurance is a significant choice that requires careful consideration of your pet's current health needs, financial circumstances, and the specifics of available policies. It's crucial to assess whether your current coverage meets your pet's requirements effectively and whether there are better options that could offer improved benefits, affordability, or service quality. Before making the switch, thoroughly review your current policy to understand its limitations, exclusions, and renewal terms. Research alternative insurance providers to compare coverage options, premiums, deductibles, and customer reviews. Be aware of any waiting periods or restrictions that may apply to new policies, particularly regarding pre-existing conditions or specific treatments your pet may need. When transitioning to a new insurer, ensure there is no gap in coverage by coordinating the start of your new policy with the cancellation of your current one. Communicate clearly with both your current and new insurers to facilitate a smooth transition process.